Everyone, I am your TECH.REHAAN. Today I will show you how to pull top and bottom sales from the data in simplest way. Come on, let's begin. So friends, here I have the product names and sales, out of which I need to pull top 3 and bottom 3. For that, equal to take, I want array. In place of array, I am taking sort function. Now select the array, freeze using function f4, comma, the sort index number is 2, comma, I want top 3, so -1, close the bracket, comma, and I want 3 rows, 3, close the bracket, enter it. We got top 3 products. Similarly for bottom 3, the same formula, equal to take, in place of array, sort. Now in this sort, select the array, freeze function f4, comma, index number 2, comma, I want bottom 3, so +1, close the bracket, comma, 3 bottom rows, close the bracket, enter it. So here I got the top 3 and bottom 3 products. So in this session I discussed how to sort limited data. Hope you understood. Do like, follow and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.